Look left, right, and turn left into the first lane closest to you. Hello, beautiful people. Arif Oria here from Oria Driving Academy, and I will be showing you route number 1 for the G2 test here at the Ottawa Walkley Drive Test Center. So when you come here, this is what's going to happen. Once you get to the Drive Test Center, you will have to park your car in one of the parking spaces. It is always recommended that you park your car in reverse because then it will be easier for you to come out. So park your car in reverse. Please make sure that you know the number of your parking space. Then you will have to go inside the Drive Test Center. There are designated kiosks for the scheduled road test appointments. You'll go to the kiosk, touch the screen, and you will see this screen there. It says, please choose one of the following options, which is scheduled road test check-in. Click on this, and then it will take you to the next screen. The next screen will tell you, please ensure you have the following information before you begin: driver's license, vehicle make and color, license plate number, parking space number. And if there's no parking space, then please indicate front, side, or back, wherever you have parked your car at. Then click on continue, and then it will take you to the next screen where you will have to enter your driver's license number. Your driver's license always starts with a letter, so enter the letter first, then it will take you to the numbers, and then enter the number of your driver's license. Once you enter your driver's license number, then it will take you to the next screen, and your appointment will pop up. It says road test. You are checking in for road test appointment on this date. Please select the appointment below and select next to continue. So in this case here, if you're here for G, it will show class G. And if you're here for G2, it will show G2. It will also show the time that you have booked your appointment at and the location at which Drive Test Center. You check the box and then click on next, and then it will take you to the next screen. So on this screen, the kiosk will ask you 2 questions. Check yes or no for this. Number 1, has an optometrist or physician ever advised you that you require corrective lenses to improve your visual acuity to see at a distance? So, which means if you're wearing any glasses or any contact lenses, if you are, please make sure you have them on you. If you don't have them, they can refuse your test, and it will show as an X on your license if you have it, but you haven't brought them. So the examiner will check for that. The next one is, has a physician ever advised you that you suffer from any of the following medical conditions: heart disease, stroke, diabetes requiring insulin to control, epilepsy, seizure disorder, loss of consciousness or awareness, or any other medical condition or physical disability that may affect your safe operation of a motorized vehicle? So obviously you're here for the road test, so this will be a no. If you suffer from any of these, you shouldn't be here. So you click no, then hit next. And then it will bring you to this screen. So when you come to this screen, it will actually ask you for the vehicle make. So you enter your car model, if it's Toyota, Honda, whatever it is. Your license plate number, you enter the plate number of your car. And then the color of your car, whether it's white, black, red, whatever color it is. And then location of vehicle or parking spot number. So you enter the parking spot. So in this case, I have number 11. So you enter 11 or whichever parking space you have parked at. And if there's no parking space number, then you either put front, side, or back, wherever you have parked your car at. Once you do that, then click next, and then it will take you to this screen. It says, once you receive a ticket below, your test has been dispatched to an examiner and you must wait at your vehicle immediately. Then click on the box here where it says, I acknowledge I'll wait at my vehicle immediately. So once you click on this box, you will receive a ticket from the kiosk. Grab the ticket, go to your car and wait in the car for the examiner. The examiner will come to your car from the left side. You will have to, while you're waiting for the examiner, please make sure that your seat is adjusted, your mirrors are adjusted, you have your seat belt on, And when the examiner comes, make sure you start the car, bring the left side window down, and this is what they're gonna do. Hello, my name is Arif, and I will be your examiner for the day. Can I have your license, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Could I please have your full name?
Yeah, I'm Adam John.
Your date of birth?
Yeah, 1995, 0521.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Can you beep the horn for me, please,
Sure.
GP? Thank you. Can I please have the right signal? Left signal? Thank you. Just watch me in the mirror and let's do the same thing in the back.
Okay.
Can I please have the left signal? Right signal? Can you turn off the signal, please?
Yes.
Step on the brake.
Okay.
Take your foot off. Thank you.
Do you require glasses?
No, sir.
Do you have any medical conditions that would affect your safe driving?
No, sir.
All right, can I see your license one more time?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. On today's test, you will not be asked to do anything against the law. Your driving capabilities will be noted and assessed. When observing or looking around, please move your head and not just your eyes.
Sure, sir.
Cellular and Bluetooth devices must be silenced or turned off. Convenience technologies can't be used. In-vehicle recording devices must not be facing the passenger area. Get a copy of the test inside the office or online at drivetest.ca afterwards.
Sure, sir.
Do you have any questions before we start?
No, sir.
When you are ready, please proceed.
All right, so depending where you have parked your car at, where I am parked, so the examiner in here will ask you to go left and then back right. So what happens here is for the G2 test, as you guys can see the area right in front of me, they will make you do a 3-point turn right there. If they take you to the first lane, they will make you do a 3-point turn there. If they take you to the second lane, there's a blue car right now parked there. They will make you do a parallel park with that blue car there. So either or, if they make you the parallel park first, then they will bring you back to the other lane to make you do a 3-point turn, or either or. So they will make you do a 3-point turn in parallel park here, and then they will bring you back out this way. So when you're leaving the parking lot, please make sure that you're putting the car in drive. Check your rear view mirror, signal to whatever direction you're going. In my case, I'm signaling to the left. Do a good 360 degrees check, look all around, behind. Make sure no cars, no bicycles, no pedestrian. Go halfway in and turn left. So I'm not allowed to go there. I will just turn left right from here. Just pretend that you came out right from there and continue here. Left again here, and you will be asked, the examiner will tell you to turn right on Walkley. So right from here, check your rear view mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and come here. Watch for pedestrian like this, so slow down if you see a pedestrian on the road. Do not rush yourself. It's a G2 test, very easy, very simple, not a lot of turns. You slow down, check for pedestrian, nobody there, check for traffic from the left side, no one there, and turn right into the first lane. So the speed limit here is 50 kilometers per hour. Just maintain a good speed limit. You will be asked to turn right at the traffic light. Prepare yourself for the right turn. Check your rear view mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. If it's a red traffic light, so please make sure you're coming to a complete stop. So at this traffic light, right turn is allowed, but please make sure you're treating it like a one-way stop sign. Come to a complete stop. Check for pedestrian both sides. No pedestrian. Creep up. I see one pedestrian coming from the right side. I'm not sure if he's gonna go straight, so I'll wait for him to make sure. Okay, green light, check the blind spot and turn right just like this. Okay, so when you turn right here, there's a first stop sign, always stop sign coming your way. Please make sure that you're coming to a complete stop. So come to a complete stop, check your rear view mirror, left, center, right, left again, and then continue. So any streets, any roads that are coming your way, please make sure that you're checking left, right, and continue. It is a school zone area, so speed limit will be changing to 40 kilometers, but there's specific timing. So look at the time. So from 7 till 9 and from 2 to 5, the speed limit is 40. Other than that, it's 50 kilometers per hour. So it's 40 here. So check your rear view mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. The examiner will tell you to go left at this stop sign. Come to a complete stop, check your rear view mirror, left, center, right, left again. There's a pedestrian there, so I'll wait, and then you go halfway in and then turn left here, just like this. So please make sure that this is a community zone area. There will be children playing, there will be cars coming out. Do not rush here, and continue here. So the speed limit on my car display still shows 50 kilometers per hour, but be cautious when you're passing any other car that are parked on the street. Please make sure that you're maintaining a good distance of 1 meter. So in here, the examiner will ask you to do the uphill, downhill parking, like those parkings, the emergency stop. They will ask you. I'll probably do a downhill parking for you guys. Like you guys can see, uphill parking, there's one car on the test and they're doing an uphill parking, or actually emergency stop. So they will make you do it here. Continue and keep going. So I'm not going to do it here. I will do it somewhere else because there's one examiner doing the test. So look left, right, and continue. So I'm going to pull over here if there's room. I'm going to do a downhill parking for you guys. There's a street coming up. Just look. We will do parking is not allowed here. But anyway, so for uphill, downhill parkings, for all those parkings, you can check my G2 maneuver videos. So I've done all the maneuvers for G2 for you guys. I've done emergency stop, uphill, downhill, 3-point turn, parallel parking, all in detail. So watch those, and you know, that will help you. So just look left, right, and watch for these scooters as well. Make sure that you're driving with lots of caution. Stay 1 meter away from the parked cars and continue. Again, look left, right if there's any driveway. And at the stop sign, you will be asked to turn right. So start mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, come to a complete stop here. It's always stop sign. Look at your rear view mirror, left, center, right, left again, and nice and slowly come out just like this. Check the blind spot to the right, and then the examiner will ask you to go left at the traffic light. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and come to this lane right here. Now we are making a left turn back on Walkley Road. When you're stopping behind another car, please make sure that there is enough distance between your car and the car in front of you. I know my camera is covering, like the hood of the car is covering a little bit. You can't see it, but I do have enough space while you're waiting behind another car. So in future, I'll try to make sure that there's enough distance. Do not stress yourself out. It's G2, and I'm sure your driving instructors have done a good job. You already know all these tricks and how to make left turn, right turns. It's all about these things and how safe you're driving. So it's a green light now. When it's a green light and one car will go inside the intersection, do not cross the line. So you stay behind the line, wait for that car to go. Once he's cleared, check for the pedestrian on the left side as well, and then we go. So as you guys can see, now this guy is gone. I'm gonna go halfway in. I'll check for oncoming traffic, pedestrian on the left, nothing there, and I'm making my left turn into the first lane closest to me. And once you recover yourself, then change your lane to the right. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, change your lane to the right. And once your four wheels are inside the lane, you turn off the signal. And at the first traffic light, the examiner will ask you to turn right. The speed limit here is 50 kilometers per hour. Please make sure that you're maintaining a good speed limit. Always move back to the right lane when you're making a left turn. So right from here, you can check your rear view mirror, signal to the right, check your blind spot to the right. And if it's a green light, watch for pedestrian on the right side. No pedestrian, you can go. So I don't have to stop. No pedestrian, check a blind spot and turn right just like this. Again, here as well, community, so residential area. Please watch for any cars that may pull out from any driveways. Watch for any, you know, kids and stuff like that, and continue like this. So keep going. Speed limit here is 50 kilometers per hour, and maintain a good speed limit. Look left, right, and at this stop sign you will be asked to turn left. Check your rear view mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, come to a complete stop here. Check your rear view mirror, left, center, right, left again. Go halfway in and then turn left. Make sure you're not touching the yellow line in here. So, and then stay on this lane, and then at the traffic light, you will be asked to go left. We will be going back to the drive test center. So very easy route, honestly. Watch for pedestrian crosswalk. There's a pedestrian crosswalk. Please, if there's any pedestrian, you have to wait until they touch the curb. Do not go. Just look left, right, no pedestrian, and continue. And the traffic light is coming up. We will be making a left turn at the traffic light, so prepare yourself for the left turn. As soon as you pass this driveway on the right, then check your rear view mirror, signal blind spot to the left where the broken line starts from. This is where you enter, and it's a red traffic light. I will wait here. Guys, if you think this video is good and if you're learning anything from it, please make sure that you're subscribing to my YouTube channel. And I've done the G road test videos as well, so that will help you when you're getting your G test. So go to the playlist of my YouTube channel, and you're gonna find the G2 and the G road test routes for you guys. I'm all the way from Toronto, but I'm here in Ottawa helping you guys out to make sure that you pass your road tests easily. So feel free to ask me any questions in the comment section. Ask any questions. If you have any questions, feel free, and I'll be more than happy to help you. We do have some great driving instructors here in Ottawa as well, so if you need help with classes and the routes, please feel free to contact me, and I'll be more than happy to introduce you to these great driving instructors here in Ottawa. Green light, look left, right, and turn left into the first lane closest to you, just like this. And once you're recovered, pick up the speed limit. Speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour, and then you move back to the right lane. Check your rear view mirror, signal blind spot to the right, and then we're gonna move to the right lane. Turn off your signal once your four wheels are back into the lane. And any intersection coming your way, just look left, right, and continue. In here, the examiner will ask you to turn right, so mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and we will be going back to the drive test center just like this. So inside a plaza, the recommended speed limit is between 10 to 15 kilometers per hour. Just maintain a good speed limit. The examiner may ask you to park here, park there, or anywhere. So it depends on the examiner where they're gonna pick a spot for you. They may ask you to do reverse parkings as well. I'm gonna do a front parking for you guys. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. I'm gonna do a front parking right here for you guys. Position yourself in the middle if you're parking on the right. So align the first line of the parking spot where you want to park with your steering wheel. Turn your wheels all the way to the right, check your blind spot, and turn completely in, and you will be in just like this. Done. So you will be parked, and once you park your car, the examiner will tell you congratulations, you meet the ministry standards. Great news for you guys. And then please make sure you grab that ticket that you got at the beginning, take it inside the drive test center to the clerk. They will either call you by name or by your ticket number. Make sure you give it to them, and then they will give you a temporary driver's license. If you're from G1, obviously you're from G1 to G2, so you'll get a temporary license. They'll put a sticker on your G1, which will be only valid for a photo ID. In the paper, the G2 will be for your driver license. You can drive with both of them until you get the plastic one in the mail. But if you have changed your address, please make sure that you're notifying the clerk there, so that they can put the right address and you can get your license at the correct address. Thank you guys for all the love and support. If you like the video, please make sure that you're subscribing to my YouTube channel, and if you pass the test, promise me that you're going to leave me a Google review as well. And thank you for all the love and support, and follow me for more videos.